Narrator. There will come a time when everything around you feels heavy, when you wake up tired, not just in your body, but in your soul. Your goals seem distant, your energy scattered, your confidence buried under self-doubt. And in that silence between your thoughts, a question lingers. What happened to me? But that moment, that low, quiet moment, is not your breaking point. It is your turning point. You are not lost. You are being called to reset. You are not broken. You are being invited to restart. You are not weak. You are being challenged to refocus. The Stoics, Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, Epictetus, all knew the truth that most people today try to avoid. Pain is not the enemy. Discomfort is not destruction. Failure is not fatal. The only real failure is refusing to respond with strength. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "When you arise in the morning, think of what a privilege it is to be alive, to think, to enjoy, to love." Yet how many of us wake up drowning in dread, enslaved by distractions, and numb to our own potential? It's time to interrupt that cycle. Reset, start again. Strip away the noise, the fake expectations, the constant scrolling, the comparisons, the lies you tell yourself about what you can't do or who you'll never be. Reset your environment. Reset your priorities. Reset your self-talk. This isn't about forgetting your past. It's about forgiving it. It's about choosing clarity over chaos. Restart. There is power in beginning again, not because you failed, but because you refused to stay down. Restarting is hard. It requires humility, discipline, willpower. But it's how strength is built, Epictetus said. No man is free who is not master of himself. So get up, make your bed, drink the water, do the workout, build the habit. Even when you feel like nothing is changing, trust that every act of effort is carving a new future for you. Progress isn't loud. It's quiet. It happens when no one's watching. Refocus. Where your attention goes, your energy flows. Are you feeding your fears or your future? Are you numbing yourself with distractions or nourishing yourself with discipline? You can't control everything, but you can control your focus. And that changes everything. Seneca said. It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste much of it. Refocus before your time runs out. Block the noise, get still, reconnect with what matters. Your purpose is not a random accident, it's a responsibility, and it's waiting for you to stop scrolling, stop delaying, and start living. Narrator. Weakness isn't the absence of strength. It's the absence of consistency. You are not weak, you are distracted, out of rhythm, misaligned. Destroy weakness by showing up every day. Especially when it's hard. Especially when you don't feel like it. That's what Stoicism is about. Not feeling less, but mastering those feelings and moving forward anyway. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to persist. Narrator. So here's your moment. Reset, restart, refocus. Not next year, not next week. Now rebuild your mind, rebuild your body, rebuild your discipline. Not for them, for you, because you were not born to be ordinary. You were born to be unshakable, to live by values, not moods, to act with courage, not comfort, to embody the mindset of a Stoic. The world needs that version of you, and so do you.